Hello and welcome to Arts and Crafts with Anja and Joe! Hello! Well, Joe, what are we going to make today? Oh, what's this? A what? Oh, what is it?
A shaker!
That's right. It's a shaker instrument. Listen. Okay, so we are going to make this out of things around the house. Let's see. What do we need? Joe, what do we need? First of all, we need a toilet roll. A toilet roll. What else? Some cardboard. Some cardboard. Give it to me, Joe. Thank you. We need some cardboard. It's green and yellow. What else, Joe? What else, Joe? Some scissors. Joe, don't you think these scissors are a little bit too big? Okay. Let's get some smaller ones. There we go. Scissors. We need some scissors, right? So we can cut. Cut, cut, cut. But be careful. You don't want to cut your fingers, okay? So always use these with your mommy and daddy, okay? Scissors. What else, Joe? What else do we need? Sticky tape. Hold this for a second. Why is it called sticky tape? Because, look, it's sticky. Sticky. Very good. Thank you. Okay, now, you can also use washi tape, okay? It's like sticky tape, but colorful. Good. Okay, what else, Joe? A pencil. Good idea, yes. We will need a pencil. Okay, and we also need, oh, lots of those. Felt pens, or any other kind of pens, okay? Colorful felt pens. And, of course, we need something else. What do we need? Rice! For example, we need, careful, careful, we need some rice. Look! Rice. Okay? Good. Now, let's get started. Okay? Now, as we have everything ready, we can start. First, we take our toilet roll and some cardboard and a pencil. We put the toilet roll on the cardboard and we draw a circle around it. Just like this. A circle. Now we're going to draw an even bigger circle around it. More or less like this. I'm not very good at this. Good. Now we need the scissors and we're going to cut out the circle. We're cutting and cutting and cutting. There we go. A circle. Now we're going to cut like this, okay, from the outer circle to the inner circle. All the way around. All the way around. Little cuts. Okay, perfect. Let's put the scissors away. And now we are going to fold these little parts inwards, just like this. Can you see? You keep folding, folding inwards. All the way around as well. There you go. Aha! Now we take the toilet roll and put it on top. Now we need the washi tape. Where is my washi tape? Oh, Joe, you naughty bird. Thank you. Good, we take the washi tape. Find the beginning. And then we stick the top onto the toilet roll. It is a little bit tricky. You need help from your mummies and daddies with that.
Two hours later.
There we go. We can go twice around it just in case to make sure nothing comes off. Perfect. There we go. One side is done. You do the same for the other side. You cut it out. You do the little cuts. Okay. Now we have to pour the rice into the toilet roll. Just like this. There we go. There's the rice. And now we do the same thing on the other side. We put the cardboard on top. We take the sticky tape or the washi tape and put it all the way around. And then we cut it off. Here. Now we basically have our shaker. What are you trying to do, Joe? Do you want to play with it already? Okay, go on then. Oops. Shake it. Very good. It works. Fantastic. Thank you, Joe. Bye. Okay, now we come to the fun part. Decorating. You can do whatever you like with this now. You can take some pens or your pencil and draw something on here. For example, let's make a sun, for example. There we go. Maybe a little heart or just a circle. You can color it in. You can do whatever you like and just be super creative. Okay, and then we end up having something like this. Et voila, our shakers. Have fun making those. Bye.